All right, hey traders, TG here. It is November 30th when I'm recording this, and we got Jerome Powell speaking today. And he basically said, yes, we see that we are going to start reducing the pace of, or slow down the pace of rate hikes. So basically that means 50 basis points at the December meeting. And the market has taken that as, maybe this is the pivot, but basically slowing of interest rate hikes then leads to pausing of interest rate hikes, which then leads to reversing of interest rate hikes. So we will have to see how much gumption, go-go juice that this has compared to recession talk. Now there's this idea that I have with my patterns that I like to talk about, which is the 50, 200, 50 maneuver. I have not seen, other than I don't know. I mean, really, I haven't even seen situations where price has not come back down to test the daily 50 at some point when when price starts moving up like this. So I was prepared for price to not test the 50 anytime today or even the next week. I was actually just looking for a dip and then we go higher and maybe we test the 50 later. But now the fact that we went higher without a dip just kind of feels like it kicks the can down the road a little bit to, okay, now we're going to get up over the daily 50. We're going to get above these trend lines. How high do we go before we do actually start to roll over again and try to come back down to test the daily 50? Now, I have been using the UVXY and the VIX to help try and determine that timing. And I thought today was going to be a fairly good day for something like that because we have been seeing divergence kick in. We even saw a trampoline / flag here on the 15-minute time frame, and it sure looked to me like this was holding. It looked like everyone else was looking for this too, for price to just pop up like this, and I was looking for a pop up like that. That would have been a dip down on the market, maybe close to the daily 50, and that would have then sent us up. That didn't happen. That 1-2 punch that I was looking for didn't happen, and instead the market kept going higher. So, okay, we can run with that for a while, but I'm still just going to be on guard about what's going on here because I don't know. It's rare that I've seen the UVXY continue to move down like this. The VIX is coming down to about 20, and I'm kind of wondering how much further this goes until it turns around again. So, we can play this. I will be looking around for some long name trades, but I'm just going to kind of keep watching this and seeing when this happens because one of our traders I was talking to today, and he said that people are not hedged. They are not hedged for this, and so he was saying that the next move down, even if it's a quick move down, they're not going to be hedged, which means they're going to be gobbling up something like this and looking for, basically the next move down could be a brutal one just because people are not hedged for it. So we'll have to see where that goes, and seems like we will probably be mostly bullish going into December. Call it the Santa Claus rally, and we'll just see how long we can kick the can down the road. So that's what it looks like. All right, thanks again, everyone. Hey, TG here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like or comment below. Also, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my market analysis. Or you can join my free newsletter with the link in the description. Good trading, and I'll see you at the next video.